I'm gonna be eating this noodle soup, chicken and stars, but the stars are noodles, so I'll see you guys when I open the lid. Okay guys, I opened the lid. Now we're gonna go ahead and open this. I'll see you guys when I'm done. Okay guys, I got it, but it broke. Excuse me. I'll see you guys when I get a butter knife. Okay guys, I got a butter knife. You're wondering what it's for. It's for this. I almost cut myself. I'm just joking. This can't cut you. But the other one can cut you. Those are nice. Like the real knives. They can cut you bad. So you don't want that. This is harder than I thought. This is harder than I thought. Oh my god, I just made a mess. I'll see you guys when I open it. Okay guys, I got it open. Now we're gonna take it off. Oh my god, this splattered on me. I'll see you guys when I pour all this water out. Okay guys, I poured some of the juice out. There's still more juice, but I like a little bit of juice. Now I'm going to put it right in the microwave. Okay. Now we're going to put it for like 1 minute so we don't have to move you guys. Okay. Now we're going to wait until it's done. I need to put other things in the trash. So yeah, when that gets done, I'm gonna eat some pistachios. Okay, we're gonna wait out here. We're just gonna wait out here. That boy back there, you see that fat boy right there? Right, just right there, that's staring at me, just meowed. He's the one that wants some wet food. I don't know where the wet food is, but oh, he's starting to follow me. Oh, while that's getting done, I'm gonna show you guys the shirt that I got. It's cute. It's Ocean City shirt. It's an Ocean City shirt. So let's see